Hello, my name is Marsha and I'm going to explain about my entrepreneurship product, which is the universal serial case. As you can see here, this is my prototype for the project. And so first I'm going to explain about the casing. So as you can see here, this is actually a casing for iPhone 5. And as for my product, which is universal serial case, the casing itself will be a hard case. And what will be special about it that is not actually seen here is that we will put rubber outside of here so that it will be more of a protective phone case. That's about the case. And what's special about our product is that this is not just the usual casing. This also contains a detachable USB on it, and the USB itself will be put right here at the bottom of the case, and you can easily detach it from your casing like this, and then you can use this. So this will be your USB, and USB you can use it to storage data. It could be the size of 16 GB, 32, 64, and this you can use it, plug it into your computer, and then after you're done you can easily put it right back into the casing like so. And so that is the product of our universal serial case, a case with a detachable USB on it. Thank you for watching.